Okay, we're just going to jump right in here. What you want to do is go up and select your Canva app, and then we are going to search the top and find social media, and then we're going to click on it. Okay, the box will pop up, and now we're going up to the search toolbar and look up GIF. Let's see, we are looking for Giphy, my bad. This right here is exciting, you guys. I cannot wait to open it up and let you see what we have in store. All right, moment of truth, you guys. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? This right here is a big game changer, especially for those who don't want to do much, you know? All right, let's play around here. Now, you know Valentine's is coming up. So let's look through here and see what they have. I just wanted y'all to see what we have here. And so we are going to check it out. Look at that. All right, now let's just say it's morning. So we're going to work on that right now. Let's see, we're going to type in good morning and check out a few GIFs we can use on our own creation. Let's see how that works. So easy. Let's see, let's try this one. It's a little extorted. Let's see, I'll keep scrolling until I find the one I want because we want to look nice. Let's see, let's try this one right here. And then we're going to stretch it out a bit to make sure the dimension is pretty good. I like this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. All right, we are going up at the top, you guys, and find a nice background. Let's see here. Yeah. Let's see. I want to show you all of the gradients. I'm going to use this gradient right here, I think. This looks perfect. Okay. Making sure everything is great. Okay, now we're going to add some wording. We are going to mess around with the font studio as I showed you all in the last tutorial, okay? Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to go with disco because you guys know that I'm a very colorful person. So I'm going to put in have a great day. Let's see here. I want to make sure that it's right. And okay, what y'all think about this one? Now we're going to add it to our design and stretch it out a bit. Make sure everything is perfectly great. And yeah, now this tutorial is for tablets, by the way. I just wanted to point that out. Okay. All right. I think this is perfect. Looking good, looking good. Okay, we're going to go up here and mess with the animations. Now, I want to point out that you can use this for your Android phone as well, or any phone as a matter of fact. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I think this is looking pretty good. And here we're going to go to the bottom and make a few duplicates. Now what we want is 20 seconds worth in this GIF. All right. So let's make sure we get it right. Okay. I really like this idea. This is for people who don't want to do much and are beginners. Okay, let's check out our product. What you think? I kind of like it. Hmm. Now we're going to save our GIF. Go to your right-hand corner and you scroll down and select GIF and save it. It's one of the things you must do is save it as GIF. Okay, all is good. We're going to head over to Facebook and upload our work over there. Let's see. All right, you guys. I hope you all love this little tutorial. It's for those who don't like doing much, but it's perfect. Like I was saying, this right here is a great opportunity. Don't walk, run over there to Canva and try out this here. It's amazing because there are thousands and thousands of GIFs you can play with over there. Holidays, whatever you name it, to be funny and make it your own. So, yeah, I hope you guys tune in next time so I can show you some more tips and tricks. Bye.